Here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So here, as you can see, in the first line, we are printing 13 or len of 13, and in the second line, we are printing len of 13 first, then 13. So the correct output of this code is 13, and it's going to return a type error, which is quite obvious. Well, let me explain this in detail. So first you need to understand how the OR operators works. If one of the conditions in the OR statement is true, then it's going to return true. So in the first line, 13 or len of 13, this would have caused error, which is quite obvious because len function takes arguments like string or list, etc. But since this was evaluated as true and it was written first, that's why it printed true. And in the second line, it caused an error because len of 13 was written first. And even though this is true, because integers are considered true in Python, and when this caused an error, this part didn't execute. That's why it returned an error, which was a type error, which explains the output.